Welcome. Today we will go over exercises for you to do after breast cancer surgery. These surgeries can include mastectomies, lumpectomies, even lymph node dissections and reconstruction surgeries. Many times after these surgeries, you could have contractures that cause tremendous pain in your chest wall and your shoulders, limiting your range of motion in your shoulders and your arms, really affecting your quality of life and your activities of daily living. These exercises will help you prevent contractures, improve your posture, minimize pain, while helping you restore your function. It is important to do these exercises on a daily basis consistently in order to reap the maximal benefits. You can do all of these exercises at home. These exercises are for educational purposes only, to empower you in order to improve your quality of life. If your symptoms worsen while you're doing these exercises, make sure to take a break. See your doctor if symptoms do not resolve. Now let's get started. This first exercise will help you improve the range of motion of your shoulder. It will increase your ability to forward flex your shoulder. First of all, you need to grab a stick-like object. It can be a broom, yardstick, or even a Swiffer handle. Alright, so after you have your wand, make sure to find a surface like the rug or your bed for you to lie down on. So as you lie down, make sure you're comfortable, bend your knees in a 90-degree angle, but make sure to keep your feet flat. Hold the wand with your palms facing up, and then slowly move the wand over your head. Now hold it here for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now relax. And we're going to do this for 6 more times, so follow along. Slowly over your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. And as you move your arm over your head, make sure that you're using your unaffected arm to stretch the affected arm, further improving its range of motion. Great, and relax. Once more, you should feel with each time your range of motion is slightly improving. 3, 4, 5, and relax. One last time. Slowly over your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and relax. Great job. With the elbow weighing exercise, it will help you open up your chest. It starts with the same starting position as that of the wand exercise. So find a comfortable rug or your bed and lay down. Make sure to keep your hips straight and bend your knees in a 90-degree angle while keeping your feet flat. Take your hands, put it behind your neck with your elbows facing up. Now slowly wing out your elbows and try to touch the ground if you can, or as far as you can go. Now hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now relax. All right, we'll do this for 6 more times. Ready? Slowly open up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. One more time. Slowly open up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Open up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. Make sure that you are feeling that stretch in your chest. And one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. Congratulations on completing the elbowing exercise. For this next exercise, we're going to stretch our shoulder blades. So come along with me to the table. So at your table, grab a comfy chair and make sure to sit in the chair with good posture, with your shoulder blades down and your back against the chair. Now take your arms and put it palm down on the table. Now, I want you to slowly stretch out one arm away from your body and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now relax. And the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. We'll do this 6 more times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. As you stretch out one of the arms, make sure the other arm is stable so that you can get an effective stretch. 4 and 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And one last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. Very good job. Keep it going. For this next exercise, it's called the shoulder squeeze exercise. It would help you retract your shoulder blades so that you have improved posture and also shoulder mobility. So you need to scoot your chair back a little and make sure to sit at the edge of your chair, but still maintaining good posture. Make sure to keep your shoulder blades back while retracting your shoulder blades down. And in this posture, make sure to keep your elbows at a 90 degrees angle. And then try to squeeze your shoulder blades together and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. We'll do this for 6 more times. And as you squeeze your shoulder blades together, you'll naturally feel like your elbows are coming together as well. 4 and 5. And relax. Retract. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. And one final time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. You're doing a fantastic job. Keep it up. For our 5th exercise, the side bends, it'll help increase the mobility of your trunk and also your body. So take your chair and turn it around. Put your arms interlinked in front of you. And then raise it as far up as possible. And then turn your body to the left. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. And then to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You should feel your body stretching on the sides. To the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 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 As you stretch to the side, try to reach as far up and out as possible. 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, last 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Congratulations. You're doing a great job. Congratulations on completing the whole set of exercises. It is so important that you do these exercises on a consistent daily basis in order to prevent contractures and pain further down the line. These exercises can help improve your range of motion and also maximize your function. If you've had radiation therapy in the past, it is even more important to do these exercises, as radiation can cause fibrosis of your tissue, further restricting your range of motion. So keep it up, and the more diligent you are about doing these exercises, the more you'll improve your quality of life. Phenomenal job today, and I'll see you next time.